It's packing day, and I'm so excited to be traveling this trip in a backpack, the new Nomad Bento Backpack. I have the Bento Bag, which I love for its organizational features. If you have been on my channel for any length of time, you know I am a huge proponent of being organized on travel day, and these bags have been great for that. I have a pocket for everything, everywhere, keeps me organized all travel day long. In my videos, I'll get comments of, I can't use shoulder bags because they just hurt my shoulders. Well, evidently Nomad listened, because now they have the Bento Bag in a backpack. I'm packing for my 3-day trip in this backpack, and I'm going to go through all the features in case you're looking for a new backpack that keeps you beautifully organized all travel day long. Let's fly into it. Going from the inside where we're packing and then ending up at the outside, similar to the Bento shoulder bag, it's going to open up plenty of packing options. This first section, you can pack in here as well as in this big open space. So 2 perfectly packed places for a short-term trip. Let me show you. I'm first going to pack in my medium-sized packing cube. Solid pair of pants, pattern pair of pants, 1 shirt, 2 shirt, socks, undergarments, scarf, laptop, cushioned both sides, soft padding, love that. This side, my spare layer is going to be my cashmere sweater in there. All packed up, and now for the little secret compartments that make this genius. We've packed up the inside, right? So this can be half zipped where we're not getting into the full clamshell. And that's why I put travel scarf right at the top, because you never travel without a blanket scarf, right? And having it easy access, love it. Water bottle pocket. Don't want to travel with a water bottle this trip. On the opposite side, you have these 2 sleek pockets that you can store your tech bag for your charger, your cords. I usually get in mid-flight into my tech bag, so that's why I keep this one at the top for me, but obviously they're interchangeable. Toiletry bag. And then we get to the front, this top zipper part. Depending on how you organize, they have 2 more pockets, pen pockets in here. But for me, I like it best when I put my sanitizing wipes that I'm going to use on the plane, for the tray table, the seat belt, just tucked right in there. And usually that's all I'll have in there. Sometimes, depending on the trip, I may change it up, because these 2 pockets are so versatile. First, I love that they zip in this way to close, because if I wanted to, I could use one of my mini carabiner clips to clip them together. Say if I was going to be away from my bag at any length of time, they're always in the same spot. They have nice wide opening, which if you wanted to, if it was easier for you, their tech bag and toiletry bags fit in there also. So if you like it better in the front versus on the side, you have those options. The stretchy key fob, which is always a plus. No one can do a quick grab, and I don't have to fumble down in my pocket either. Just find the top and we're good to go. Readers, if you know, you know. I put those in one of the 2 sides. And then this is where I'm filming on my phone, but this is where, when I go through security, is going to be where I will drop my phone, and if I have anything else that I need to take off, and zip it inside here. So usually I will leave one of these pockets somewhat empty, if not totally empty, so that I can dump it in there quick, zip it up, and go through security. One last secret compartment or nice feature in between the backpack and the trolley strap is another zipper. If you're like me, you like to keep things secure, so you can use that as your passport pouch. Zip it in there, because then when it's on your back, that's the most secure spot you can have. It's up against your body, zipped in there. It's not out front in any of the front zippers. If you're traveling along, like in your location, if you also use this as your around touring backpack, it's safe and secure behind you. Nomad Lane, listen to us, and they have delivered on the Bento Backpack. I am all packed up for this short trip and ready to fly. Everything organized. Both my shoulders are going to have even weight if I choose not to use my carry-on suitcase, and I'm ready to travel. I'm that pilot wife lady here to help you travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of backpack style. Happy travels. Nomad Light.